Hi everybody. You guys are probably the class that has asked the most questions ever. That actually is a good thing. Good morning, and basically, many of you are, since you're getting the feedback that your business doesn't sound different enough, you're getting the feedback that your business doesn't sound unique enough, you're basically asking, how do you make a business unique and differentiated? And I actually thought that question was obvious, but I realized that I guess there is no reason why you guys should know this coming into this class. So it's basically benchmarking. You have to do a global research of all the apps and websites and experiences and bots and whatever that are in the industry that you want to attack. You have to first see what's already out there before you can create a new world. Now, the magic is, finding these, but I'm gonna send you guys, I'm gonna add Fabiola Villalobos. We're doing some practices right now. Eight students are going through professional practices with 3 of my clients. And they're doing, all of them are AI projects, and Fabiola Villalobos is one of them, and she is in charge of the benchmarking. We do a rotating team lead kind of thing, and so she's the team lead of benchmarking. So I'm gonna add her to the group temporarily, and I'm gonna have her train you guys and teach you guys how to do benchmarking, and have her send you some of the templates that we're doing, the benchmarking templates that we're doing for one of the industries is wellness, the other industry is automotive, the other industry is beauty sector. My clients are Volkswagen, Odara, the beauty retailer, and the other client is Humanos Plus, which is the holistic personal transformation platform. So those are the projects that the students are engaged in. And so that's how you that's your first step. Your first step is knowing what's out there, because if you want to create a wedding planner app, there's already 1,000 wedding planner apps out there. You have to study them, and you have to figure out how you're going to be different from them and push the industry forward. All right? So good luck, and if you have any more questions, keep them coming. Let me know. Bye-bye.